Let me welcome you guys warmly today. I'm about to start the season and you can see I'm wearing the merch from our channel Make My Day, okay, from YouTube, dzikieswinie. If you want to get this cool shirt, go for it, guys. It's available online, not very expensive, so inviting you to do so. Now I'm about to show you something real cool. This is a nice motocross helmet that I want to test today. This is, as you can see, the Shot Furious helmet, and here we go. That's the Storm Black Chrome colors. I've got nice accompanying goggles which are IMX mud. All right, so let's try and open it up. So this is again Shot race gear. Very cool looking helmet. What's inside here? You can see here we have different shells, inner liners, vents. All right, and a chin bar insert. Okay, so let's begin unpacking. I enjoy helmet movies, guys. This is something really cool. Okay, there we go. Let's take it out of the cover. You have a nice helmet bag in here, and it says Shot race gear. All right, let's get it out of the bag. Oh, it's brand new, guys. There we go. Looks really good. Okay, let's get the bag off. Wow, guys, this is something really excellent. The Shot helmet, never back down. Yeah, that's the motto. You can also get the shirt Ride Hard from our channel, Shot race gear. It's an L size. As you can see, 1.4 kilograms, ECE 2205. Okay, and looking really good. Okay, so Shot race gear. It's got this classic double D ring, some nice reflective pieces for night rides, and that's the insert. Okay, most of those are washable nowadays, so let me take some shots and put it on. Okay, got it ready to put on. Great, guys. I must say I missed the season. Wonderful. Okay. Hope you love it. So what do you say we take it out on the road? I've got a surprise for you guys.